Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply video transitions using Videopad editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have 4 videos added to Videopad. Now let's select these videos, drag and drop them to video track 1 just like this. And now by default we have no transition effects added, so the videos would switch immediately from one to the next one just like that. Okay. Let's see another one. Right. So now if we want to apply video transitions, we just have to hover over in between these 2 videos. So click on this X. And here we have our transitions. So now if I select this circle transition, select the recommended option, basically yes. Now let's replay the videos and see how the transition looks. Okay, so that's the circle transition. Now, if I do the same on the next video, left click and open, let's select something like slide. Okay, yes, replay. And that's our slide transition. Okay, now if you open this first transition again, just left click. Here at the bottom, you also have some settings. So let's say duration, right now it's set to 1 second, but you can choose that to be, let's say, 2 seconds. Okay, click yes, and now our transition is going to be 2 seconds long. So if I replay, as you can see, it's taking just a little longer to transition between one video to the next one. And this is it, guys. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.